Hello and welcome to Cake Factory, Craft Factory's sweet but spicy second cousin. And today we are making a vibrant and modern bubble cake, because what is better than a tower of tantalising tasty balls? Stop it. Naughty. Let's start with the bubbles. You're going to need a silicone ball mould, some chocolate melts and some oil-based food colouring. Just don't use water-based food colouring, because if you add that to the chocolate then it will seize and we don't want that to happen. Grab your mould and just start flicking with a paintbrush or your finger and start to create the patterns of your shells. Just work quickly before they set. As it's chocolate, you want to make sure the shell is thick enough. So do 2 or 3 layers. When they're set, and using a hot plate, so please be careful, you can melt the edges, stick them together and create a sphere. And that's the process and how to make some balls. I've made multiple sizes to go on the cake, and next up we'll make some shards. I'm going to use this flat silicone tray, but you can use a lined tray of your own. Pour in some melted chocolate and give it a spread and a little tap and leave it to one side to set. When that's set, I'm going to use the airbrush to spray over the top with some oil-based colours. We've finished cutting out our shards and I've already stacked and ganached our sponge cake. Balls are ready to go, so let's start stacking. We're going to decorate the side with more ganache because we're going to be sticking chocolate onto chocolate with more chocolate. I promise it will make sense. You can spread, splatter, sponge the ganache onto the side. Just go wild, release your inner Pollock. For the final part of this, you're going to need 2 things: melted chocolate and freeze spray. We're going to use the chocolate as glue to stick our bubbles together and the spray to instantly set it in place. Take your time with this as it's a delicate process. Just make sure each one is stuck and secure before you move on to the next one and you should be fine. Okay, so I've stacked 1, 2, 3 high. I might go for a 4th, just like a little one on top. But until then, I'm gonna add these shards just around the side and a couple of these little balls that I've made just here and there, just to add a bit more decoration. And there you have it, one modern, vibrant bubble cake. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see me make next. I would love to hear your ideas. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing Cake Factory episodes. Balls, anyone? More for me. Yeah.